Hello, this is Professor Halsey, and we're on assignment 5-2 in our Zybooks, and this is CEIS150. So here we're looking at packages, and we just looked at importing a module, but importing one module at a time isn't real effective. So typically what they do is they'll have a directory or a group of modules all together, and they'll put that together in what's called a package. Okay, and our packages have to have certain criteria, and you're going to see that down here. It must contain, the directory must contain the underscore init module that we've been using in our in creating our classes. Okay, so here, let's look through the example. And packages such as sound contain subpackages such as music and effects. Once subpackages are imported, modules and definition in the subpackages are reached via dot notation. The game package contains subpackages sound and graphics. Okay, to me the important part here is noting that dot notation can let me access something in the graphics folder within Terrain. Terrain has a module called drawground that we are using here. So the game.graphics.terrain and then the module drawground. Draw GND, I use that as ground. Okay, the same here with game, sound, speech, and then within speech there's a module we're calling called talk, or function called talk. Okay, so then they're showing us the directory structure here. So if we have a package called ASCII art, it would contain a canvas module as well as the subpackages figures and buildings. Okay, so here's the canvas, here's figures, and here's buildings. The draw scene script can import the ASCII art package. So here's our import statement. And then once we do that, we can access what's in that particular module. And if we only needed a certain part, then we only have to import that certain part. We don't have to import the entire package, only that portion of the package. So here canvas was the particular portion of the package that we wanted to import from ASCII art. Okay, and then out of canvas, so ASCII art.canvas, and out of canvas we have draw canvas, and we can call that function in that once we import it ASCII art. Okay, so here we have we're importing just the cow module from the figures subpackage. So from ASCII art figures, you can import cow, so something just real specific, that particular module out of the package. Okay, and then we can use the draw module out of the cow module. Okay. Write a statement to import the figures subpackage from ASCII art. So you would import from ASCII art. And yeah, from ASCII art. No. So I'm skipping ahead. It should just be ASCII art dot package. I'm sorry, I was trying to reread it. Write a statement to import the figures subpackage. So ASCII art dot figures. Okay, write a statement to import the cal module. Alright, so cal was ASCII art figures cal. I'm going to say I thought they did that. Let me see if that works. Yes. Alright, so ASCII art figures.cal. Okay, write a statement that calls the draw function of the imported house module. Okay, what I think they're asking me to do is just call the function. Oh, I don't know why I put an N in there, or how that even got in there. I thought I just typed draw. Okay. Write a statement that imports the barn module directly using the from technique of importing. So I'm going to do it a lot like they're doing here. From, and what did it say, barn? There we go. ASCII art buildings barn. Okay, so from ASCII art buildings, I know I'm lazy typer, import barn. There we go. All right, thank you. And join me back shortly for section 5-3, Standard Library.